In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started right inside Premiere Pro. Make sure you already have a project open in the editor. This can be a brand new project or an existing one you're working on. The process is exactly the same either way. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right area of the screen. There, you should see an option labeled Import. Go ahead and click that. This opens Premiere Pro's import window, which lets you browse through your computer files without leaving the software. In this import window, you're essentially looking at your regular folders, just from within Premiere Pro. Take a moment to navigate to the location where your audio file is stored. This could be in your Downloads folder, on an external drive, or in a dedicated audio folder you've set up for your project. Keeping your audio organized in clearly named folders can make this step much faster, especially when working on larger edits. Once you've located the audio file you want to use, click on it to select it. You can usually preview the file if needed, just to double check that it's the correct one. After selecting it, look down to the bottom right corner of the import window. You'll see an import button there. Click that button to bring the audio file into your project. Premiere Pro will now import the file and you'll see it appear in the project panel, which is typically found in the bottom left of your workspace. This panel is your main library of all media used in your project. Video clips, images, sequences, and of course audio. Find your newly imported audio file in the project panel. You can rename it here if you want it to be more descriptive, which is especially helpful when you're dealing with multiple tracks like music, voiceovers, and sound effects. Now, to add the audio to your timeline, simply click and drag the audio file from the project panel down onto one of the audio tracks in your sequence. Place it under the video clip where you want the sound to start. You'll see the waveform appear, showing the levels of the audio, and that's it. Your audio is now imported and on your timeline, ready for you to trim, adjust levels, or add effects as you continue editing your project.